So are there categories where dry fibre is being pushed into the certain sectors for narrative reasons, even when the case for engineering is weaker than the thermoformed rPET?
Well, I wouldn't take this perspective. I would have another point of view. ILLIG was always very material and technology neutral. We have machines for plastic thermoforming. We have machines for thermoforming hybrid parts with cardboard reinforcement and the in-mould labeling technology, for instance. We have the packaging machines from a combination of thermoform and cardboard up to 100% cardboard. Now we have dry fiber, which is an addition to our portfolio. We would not substitute anything with dry fiber. And it's always depending on the customer's perspective. The customer has specifications for the products, maybe legislation in the market in terms of recyclability or packaging material. The customer itself has customers which want to have a certain repetition of the product or want to have an experience with the product. And we try to meet these categories technology neutral. So we do not try to push dry fiber into everything. We try to deliver the best solution that is meeting the specification and the requirements of the customer, and not forcing something into a technology that brings only drawbacks. So we do not want to deliver any construction site to the customers with a lot of problems. We would like to deliver solutions preferably.
Tom, Tobias touched on legislation there. What's the legislation like over here in the UK? And is it any different to the rest of Europe?
Yeah, I think it's very similar to Europe, but I think like the UK, there's a push, certainly from retailers and brands. They all have their own individual scorecards that they may be pulling from the regulations, but the sustainability is a big topic point on those scorecards. So the major retailers, or even RAP's UK Plastic Pact targets, they are independently trying to hit some of those regulatory timelines. So it is a narrative driven point. But as Tobias says, I think we as ILLIG, we always try and come from understand what the customer is trying to achieve, and direct them into the best way possible into production environments.